we're transforming a regular daytime portrait into a convincing night scene without replacing the background. Start by lowering the exposure using camera raw until the overall image feels dark but still readable. Then decrease highlights and lift the shadows slightly to preserve detail in the face. Move to the HSL panel and desaturate warm colors because daytime sunlight leaves traces of yellow and orange. Add a deep blue tone using color grading. Push shadows toward teal and midtones toward navy. Next, create a soft brush layer in overlay mode and paint subtle moonlight along the side of the face and shoulders. Add a faint glow around any lamps or distant objects to simulate nighttime light sources. Finish by applying noise to unify the atmosphere. The result